Hey guys, today I want to show you how you can record your screen on a PC using an application you probably already have and really probably use all the time. Hey, I'm Andy, I'm a techie, and I like to talk about it. So if there's a topic you want to hear me cover, please drop me a comment down below, and I'll be sure to try to cover that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the new content coming out, because the world of technology is changing all the time. So let's jump over to the PC and we're going to see how to do this.
Okay, so here I am at my PC. The program we're going to use today is PowerPoint. So I already have it installed as part of my Office 365, but if you don't have it installed already, you can go over to office.com and download it right from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open PowerPoint here. All right, so to get started, we're just going to open a blank presentation. All right, here we go. And I'm not going to worry about any of this because we're just going to see how to record our screen. So we're going to go over to the recording ribbon. Now, the recording ribbon is not enabled by default, so you may have to go into your settings to turn it on, and I'll show you how to do that here. So let me take a step back. So I'm going to go over to File in the menu bar, go all the way down on the left down to Options. Okay, this brings up your options for the application. And if you go over to Customize Ribbon, this is where you can turn on the recording section. So by default, this is unchecked, so you won't see the recording ribbon up here. So you want to check that and hit OK. And now it should show up for you. So now you should be able to click on recording and see all these options here. Okay, so as long as I'm clicked onto my slide, notice if I click off my slide, some options are grayed out, but make sure you click onto your slide. And all we got to do is click screen recording. Now, there are other options here you can see to record a slideshow, input a form, take a screenshot, etc. Some of these may be useful for you, so you can play around with those. We're going to go over the screen recording feature real quick. So let's just do that. So I'm clicked on my slide. The screen recording option is highlighted. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Okay, so now you see this window appears where it says record, there's a timer, select area, audio, and record pointer. So these are all the default settings right now. I'm going to go ahead and select area. And you can see I have a crosshairs, which allows me to select what I want to record. So this feature is not as user-friendly as some other applications. I can't select an application window, for example, but I can select certain areas of the screen. So it's a little different. So what I can do here, I'm going to click and drag and cover my window. Now I could stop here and it'll just record this red box. Or if I only want this certain section over here, it will only record this red box. If I want to record the whole screen, no problem, you can do that too. Just extend the screen recording all the way over and you can see the red box disappeared and just encapsulate the entire screen. So we're going to do that. So now that I've selected what I want to record, the record button is now active. And this is telling me that it's ready to go. So let's hit record. Okay, so it tells me there 3, 2, 1, and then that was important. It told us right there that to stop the recording, you have to press Windows key, Shift, Q. So don't forget that, or else you're gonna get stuck in here because as you can see, there's no longer any buttons on the screen for me to click to end the recording. So we're recording the screen. Let's go ahead and open a window to see some activity here. We're gonna head over to YouTube. Okay, so there we go. So we got YouTube up. We're not going to go any further than this. We're just recording our screen. I will highlight a couple cool videos that popped up here. Relaxing campfires and how to record your screen on a PC. These are two of my channels, so please check those out. I think you really like those. So, okay, so that's the end of our screen recording. I'm gonna go ahead and hit Windows key Shift Q to end the recording. Okay, it took a minute there. PowerPoint was just processing. So now we can see we're back in PowerPoint. We're back on our presentation, and now we have this video. So I can resize the video. It's in my presentation. Put it there. Play it back. Skip ahead a little bit. So you can see it captured the whole screen. We see the start menu down at the bottom, the time, and the Chrome browser, which is what we opened. So there you go. So great. So what can we do from here? Well, first, you can keep this in the presentation. If you're recording your screen so you can keep it in the presentation, share with others that way, great. You don't have to do anything further. You can finish your presentation, save the file, and off you go. However, if you were doing this to, say, create a YouTube video, or you want to post something to Twitter or Facebook, no problem. We can do that here as well. We're just going to select the video. We're going to right-click, and there's an option down here, Save Media As. So I'll select that. Okay, so you can see it just pops up a Explorer window here. And we're going to go down to this PC. And desktop, and we're going to save it there. Great. So let's open our Explorer window. This PC, desktop. Okay, and there it is. So I'm going to double click it here to open it. Okay, there you go. There's our desktop that we recorded. Got the America shield, very cool. Okay, and oops, sorry. So I'm just going to scrub through so you can see this is the video we recorded. All we did was open a Chrome browser, navigate to YouTube, and that was it. So very cool. There's our video. Now, again, this is an MP4 file. And MP4 is a standard video format, so you can use this to share across multiple different video formats, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you like, or put it in your favorite video editor and edit it and share it that way.
Okay guys, so there you go. That was it. Very easy using PowerPoint of all applications to record your screen on your PC. So very cool. And I'm sure some of you are wondering, how did you record your desktop to show us how we can record our desktop? I'm happy to share that with you. Please look out for another video where I'm going to show you the other application I use to record my desktop while I was shooting this video. So please look out for that. And if you are interested in learning how you can easily and free edit your video on PC, Windows 10, I'm going to bring you that video shortly, so please stay tuned. Watch out for that coming soon. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.